Here is Lesson 8 for flute. We will be on numbers 23 and 24. Okay? You should have already looked through these and be ready to go. Okay? Here we go. 23. 1, 2, ready. Did you get the repeat or did you forget about it? Whenever you play through a piece of music, make sure you look from the beginning all the way to the end to make sure that there's no weird things that you need to get. For instance, there's a repeat at the end. Okay? Did you hear how I took both breath marks, but in measure 3, I played that rhythm all the way through? The habit is this for measures 2 and 3. Okay, but there's not a quarter rest after that half note, is there? We kind of play it like a quarter note with a quarter rest. So make sure in measures 2 and 3, if there's a breath mark, you can breathe. But there's not a breath mark, you have to play through. Okay, so if there's no breath mark, you can't take a breath. Okay, that was number 23. Our code word for lesson 8. For this lesson, we don't have a code word. So what you would write on your paper is, for lesson 8, no code. Okay? All right, let's move on to 24. Here's how 24 is going to work. We are both going to play the A line, and then we're both going to play the B line. And then when we get finished with that, you're going to rewind the video, and when I play the A line, you play the B line. And then when I play the B line, you play the A line. That way you'll hear harmony. Okay? Harmony is when you have a melody and you decide to add different notes to it. It creates different sounds. It makes the piece a little bit more interesting. Okay? So let's play the A line. Here we go. Line A. 1, 2, ready. Alright, now for the B line. And 1, 2, ready. Did you notice how I didn't breathe on the breath marks for the B line? If you have enough breath to go through more than 2 measures, then please do it. I had enough air that I could play from the beginning to that first quarter rest. That is your goal, is to play what we call 4-measure phrases. It's to play 4 measures in 1 breath. Okay? This was lesson 8. Thank you for joining me.